All right, everyone, buckle up because we're diving deep into Dogecoin today.
Yeah, things are getting kind of wild over there in DOGE land.
Yeah, for sure. So we're going to be looking at some analysis from CoinGlass and also some insights from Peter Brandt, who's like a real veteran investor.
Right, Brandt's been around forever.
Yeah, he's seen it all. And what's really got us intrigued is that DOGE has been making some pretty big moves lately,
Yeah,
like some serious price jumps.
for sure. And there's a pattern emerging that might just point to, a big comeback.
Okay, so let's jump right in. What's the first thing that's got you raising an eyebrow here?
Well, first thing I noticed was this massive spike in trading volume for DOGE.
Uh,
CoinGlass is reporting like a 76.71% increase just this month.
Whoa, 76%? That's a huge jump.
It is. And you know what that tells me? Whales are moving in.
Whales.
You know the big players,
They-
the ones with deep pockets who can really move the market?
Okay, so like when a whale jumps in the pool, everyone feels the splash.
Exactly. And remember that $120 million DOGE transfer whale alert picked up.
Yeah, saw that one. Go into some unknown wallet.
Right. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That kind of activity. That's what gets my attention.
So we've got these whales splashing around, but what does that actually mean for like the average DOGE holder out there?
Well, let's put it this way. Dogecoin is up 150% this month.
150%.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's one of the top performers for November.
No wonder people are buzzing about it. Okay, but let's bring Peter Brandt into the mix here. Now, he's been looking at the charts, and he's spotted a pattern called a reverse head and shoulders.
Yeah, it's the classic head and shoulder.
But reverse, so like they're doing a handstand or something.
Well, sort of. It's
Hmm.
basically a bullish signal.
Meaning?
It means the price is likely to go up.
Okay, so if Brandt is right, this headstand pattern could be good news for DOGE holders.
Exactly. And you want to know the really exciting part?
Lay it on me.
If this pattern plays out the way it has in the past, DOGE could potentially climb back towards its all-time high,
Which was?
73 cents.
Wow, that would be quite the comeback story. And there's another interesting pattern Brandt pointed out. He's calling it a bullish flag.
A flag, like a pirate flag or something.
Haha, not exactly. It's a pattern that forms on the price chart, and it usually signals a continuation of an upward trend.
So like the wind is pushing that flag higher and higher.
You got it. And if this flag pattern holds true, we could see DOGE reach a price target of around 66 cents.
Okay, so we've got whales, we've got a headstand, we've got a flag. What else is telling us that DOGE might be ready to take off?
Well, there's one more indicator we need to talk about. The golden cross.
The Golden Cross. Sounds kind of mystical.
It's not magic, but it's a pretty reliable signal. Basically, it's when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average.
Okay, and why is that significant?
Well, it often indicates that the price is gaining momentum, like a ship picking up speed.
So when those lines cross, it's like full steam ahead for the price.
Exactly. And guess what? DOGE just experienced a golden cross.
Whoa, so we've got all these signals lining up.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not just talk. DOGE has already busted through some serious resistance levels.
Yeah, 22 and 30 cents. Those were like walls, and DOGE just plowed right through them.
And the fact that trading volume is increasing just confirms that this upward momentum is real.
Right. It's not just a fluke.
Okay, but here's the big question. Is this just a short-term spike?
Mm-hmm.
Or could this be the start of a longer-term trend for DOGE?
Well, that's where Brandt's historical analysis comes in. He's saying that DOGE's current price action looks very similar to what happened back in 2020.
Really?
Yeah. Back then, DOGE went through a phase where the price was kind of moving sideways, like it was gathering energy. And then, bam! It formed that same reverse head and shoulders pattern we're seeing now.
So like DOGE was doing its stretches before the big race.
Haha, exactly. And what happened after that in 2020?
Right.
DOGE rallied like crazy, 190%.
190, seriously.
Yep. So history might not always repeat itself, but it's definitely something to keep in mind.
All right, so it sounds like all the signs are pointing towards a potential DOGE rally. We've got whales making waves, strong price gains, bullish chart patterns, and historical precedents. What do you make of all this?
Well, it's impossible to say for sure what the future holds for any cryptocurrency, but I'd say things are looking pretty good for DOGE right now.
Yeah, it definitely seems like things are heating up in DOGE land. What do you think, listeners? Is this the start of something big or just a temporary blip? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure. The world of cryptocurrency is full of surprises. So stay tuned, keep learning, and keep exploring. And who knows? Maybe DOGE will surprise us all.
You never know.
That's right. You never know. All right, that's it for our deep dive into Dogecoin today. Thanks for listening,
Thanks for having me.
and we'll catch you next time for another exciting deep dive into the world of crypto.
See ya.
Bye, Wei.